Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your Montessori English class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Dear kids, today we will read paragraph number 4 and 5 of Unit 15, The Elephant. Unit 15, The Elephant. Let's read paragraph number 4 and 5. Firstly, look at the picture. Here's the snake, and snake swims under the tree. Snake swims under the tree. Now, let's read. Thump, thump, thump. Thump, thump, thump. Help me, says the snake. Help me, says the snake. He swims under the tree. He swims under the tree. Now kids, let's read the paragraph number 5. Here's the paragraph number 5. Firstly, look at the picture. Here's an elephant. Here's the elephant. And how many bananas are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 students, how many bananas here? 10 bananas here. Now let's read. Here is the elephant. Here is the elephant. She has 10 bananas. She has 10 bananas. Hello, hello, she says. Who says hello? Elephant says hello. Here are some bananas. Here are some bananas. Elephant says hello. Here are some bananas. They are for you. They are for you. एलिफेंट जो है वो किससे कह रहा है? एलिफेंट जो है वो गोट और पैरट से कह रहा है. Here are some bananas. They are for you. So kids, now it's your turn to read paragraph number 4 and 5 and also write it on your English copy with colors. With colors. Dear students, आपने different colors लेने हैं और आपने इंग्लिश की कॉपी पर जो है कलर्स के साथ राइटिंग करनी है. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.